Guys, look at the new entrance door. So we got a new entrance door. Very nice. Very nice. Not showing you my code, guys. Not showing you my code. Guys, I put the wood fan in midnight blue or midnight black, I think. One of those colors. I did it the same as the island. So comment below and let me know if you like the color. Guys, I think it's gonna look pretty. So I put it over the stove, the wood fan. Let me come closer so if you could see it. This is what it looks like, guys. And it's the same color as the, guys, it's kind of dusty right now. It's the same color as the island. Yeah, so yeah, that's just giving you a little update. Yeah, and I'm gonna give you an update of the stairs that I'm doing. Yeah, so guys, we're doing the stairs. So this is the update of the stairs. Not finally finished yet. So this is coming to the end of the project. So these are what it's gonna finish with, and we're gonna stain them as well. So those are the new stairs. And I also doing the fireplace. So this is the latest update. Yeah, I can't wait for this project to finish. So this is the update, and I'm gonna put an insert right there, fireplace insert right there. Yeah, and then the TV up there. Yeah, guys, so that's the update. Hopefully we finish soon. So okay, guys, we're gonna check out the basement now. Remember I was telling you right here, we block it off. So we're going downstairs now and see what's the latest down here. Oh, guys, they all insulate. Everywhere is insulated. So that's the new up there. New update is all finished wiring up. And now we're doing insulate. Finish insulate, guys. Now we're gonna drywall soon, because we finished with the electrical. So now is insulation. And then we're going to drywall. Guys, it's coming together nicely. So this is the basement. This is the basement, guys. Yep. So that's it. So guys, this room we have to spray foam it, because this was a cold room, so we're going to turn it into a laundry room. So we have to spray foam this room. So yeah, guys, and everything we do step by step. The reason why it took so long, we have to get the inspector come out to pass everything. So we're doing everything by code. Take out the permit. So we have to get permission from the city. So that's why it takes so long. You have to wait until the city comes and give you the right of way to do it. So you know everything you have to do right. You know? So that's the latest. So yeah, guys, we're getting ready now to drywall.